It's now Thursday, September 4th or 5th, 2013. We've got some tornado warnings for our area. It just started to rain, and you can see the drops on the ground as they come. The winds are supposed to kick up about 60 miles an hour.
Oh, that's crazy.
And massive thunder. Temperatures dropped about 15 degrees. It's still close to 80. It's about 6 o'clock at night. And I'm recording this because they said there is a tornado warning near where I live. Starting to rain pretty heavy. See down here. May even get some hail. I'm looking up through these grape things that are underneath my eaves here. The wind's really picking up. This could be the windstorm from hell. As we head to the front of the house, you can see the water.
Oh my goodness!
This just fell over. That was real smart of your stupid mother to put it right there. It's pretty bad over here. Hope that didn't hurt my Dio, or I'll make her buy a goddamn new one. She's not destroying shit, she's putting things in a way where it will destroy it. Oh, there goes some more lightning. We're underneath the eaves right here in the carport.
Whoa!
And it's really starting to come down now. It's like a tropical, oh, look at that. I mean, it was calm here about 10 minutes ago. Look at this. Look at all the water. I mean, this is a tremendous clusterfuck.
Oh my...
Look at that. Look at what the wind's doing to that tree, the wind and the water. I think I'm going to make a number of series videos on this. So this will be part 1.